Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have fairly nice conditions out there this morning. A bit more humid than we saw yesterday, but overall we're going to have nice conditions today. Partly cloudy skies in general throughout the remainder of the afternoon hours, in the evening hours today, with just some temperatures about seasonal averages for this time of year. Looking at our surface analysis as of 9Z this morning, we do have a surface boundary that's stalled across the Carolinas south of our region that's going to continue to remain over that area for today. It'll continue to wash out and provide those areas with showers and thunderstorms. Our chances for showers and thunderstorms are going to be below 5% today, as we'll have just some sea breeze interaction along the central portions of the Delmarva Peninsula this morning, and that's going to provide such as locations of Salisbury, possibly up to Seaford, with a possibility of a pop-up shower thunderstorm. But for here, looking at those chances, about 5%. Looking at our observation map from this morning, we do have some cirrus cloudiness building north from that weak surface boundary across the south, and it's going to continue to move across the region today from the southwest to the northeast across the Wallops region and the Delmarva Peninsula. It's going to give us anywhere from mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Do have a little bit of mid-level cloudiness across the northern portions of the Delmarva Peninsula this morning. That's going to continue to erode and move off the coast for this afternoon. Temperatures are warming fairly nicely this morning from the upper 60s to lower 70s. Did see a little bit of patchy fog out there this morning that has quickly eroded. Could also see some patchy fog tonight, but most likely won't see reduced visibilities below a mile tonight. Seeing those winds out of the south this morning, they'll continue out of the south throughout the remainder of the day today, and we'll have winds picking up tomorrow out of the southwest, and that's going to allow for us to have a warming trend for the rest of the week. Looking at our current conditions as of 8 a.m. this morning, we have a few clouds, 9,000 feet, a broken deck at 25,000 feet, unrestricted visibilities. Winds are the south or southeast at 150 degree azimuth, 6 knots, temperature 76 degrees, and humidity was at 78% this morning. Looking at our risk chart for today, we're going to have south-southeasterly winds, to south winds this morning. We're from 5 to 10 to 6 to 11 knots. Seeing green across the board today for all risk categories. Looking at only a very slight chance, as I mentioned, a shower or thunderstorm. That would be anywhere from about noon to 4 o'clock today, but only about a 5% chance of that occurring, so it doesn't even make the icon or the risk chart here. Looking at temperatures today, rising into the mid-60s across the region. Going to see temperatures drop tonight into the lower to mid-70s. Slight chance we have that patchy fog tonight. Most likely anywhere from about 4 to 6 a.m. Tomorrow morning. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, currently, as I mentioned, we have a few clouds, 9,000 feet, broken deck at 25,000 feet. We'll see a little bit of fair weather cumulus develop this afternoon. Looking at our 12 local terminal forecast, looking at a few at 4,000, scatter deck at 25,000, a slight chance of a scatter deck at 4,000 and a scatter deck at 25,000 as a sea breeze boundary moves on shore and through the area. And moving tonight, looking at Tuesday for local, looking at a few clouds at 500 feet, a few clouds at 25,000 feet, and a chance of a scatter deck at 5,000 feet, scatter deck at 25,000 feet. Should be only 2-mile visibility here. And looking at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, looking at a few at 10,000 feet, scatter deck at 25,000 feet. Our extended look for Tuesday into Wednesday. Tuesday we'll have a yellow for our winds. See our winds become slightly breezy during the afternoon hours, but will remain mostly sunny to partly cloudy and humid for the remainder of the day on Tuesday. Looking at a high of 88 degrees. And Tuesday night we'll have partly cloudy skies, very slight chance of shower or thunderstorm early. That would most likely be during the late evening hours, possibly till about 2 or 3 a.m. on Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. And then we'll just remain partly cloudy and humid. Look at that low on Tuesday night of 78 degrees, so it's going to be quite warm. And then for our Wednesday, we're going to really start that heat across the area with hazy, hot, and humid conditions. Chance of an afternoon shower or thunderstorm. Have a high of 92 degrees. have a yellow for precipitation and lightning with a weak boundary and also an upper level disturbance moving through the region on our Wednesday. Well, that's going to complete the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back at 10 o'clock for our full briefing. Everybody has a great day.